Hey, traders! Welcome back to Tradolanger, your go-to channel for all things trading and finance. Today, we're diving into a game changer for traders looking to level up their skills and capital, apextrader funding. Are you a skilled trader but lacking the capital to take your strategies to the next level? Look no further. Apextrader funding offers an incredible opportunity for traders like you to access funding and unleash your full potential. So, what exactly is apextrader funding? It's a platform that provides funding to talented traders, allowing them to trade with larger capital and keep a significant portion of the profits. It's a win-win situation. Trader 1. Apextrader funding has completely transformed my trading career. With their capital backing, I've been able to take on bigger trades and significantly increase my profits. Trader 2. I couldn't believe it at first, but apextrader funding is the real deal. The application process was straightforward, and I received funding faster than I ever imagined. So, how does it work? It's simple. You apply for funding through the apextrader funding website, showcase your trading skills, and if you're approved, you'll receive a funded trading account to start trading immediately. Once you're funded, you'll keep a percentage of the profits you generate, allowing you to earn while you trade. Plus, apextrader funding offers competitive risk management tools to help you trade responsibly and maximize your success. Whether you're a day trader, swing trader, or algo trader, apextrader funding caters to traders of all styles and experience levels. It's time to take control of your trading journey and unlock your full potential with apextrader funding. Thanks for tuning in, traders. If you're ready to elevate your trading game, don't forget to check out apextrader funding. And remember to subscribe to Tradolanger for more trading tips, reviews, and strategies. Happy trading!